In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks and @mention people in Dropbox Paper. This process is an excellent way to enhance collaboration within your team, making your workflow more efficient. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up a paper document. You can either create a new one or open an existing document that you're currently working on. Once you're in the document, it's time to start adding your tasks. Creating a to-do, or task item, is incredibly straightforward. Just type an open square bracket followed by a closing square bracket, and then hit the spacebar. What this does is create a neat checkbox, perfect for turning any item into an actionable task. Next to this newly created checkbox, you can go ahead and write out the description of your task. Be clear and concise in your wording so that your collaborators understand exactly what needs to be done. Once your task is clearly defined, you'll want to assign it to someone. To do this, type the @ symbol and begin typing the name or email of the person you want to assign the task to. As you type, a drop-down list will appear, making it easy for you to select the right person. This not only mentions them in the document, but also officially assigns the task to them. Now, while this step is optional, it's often helpful to add a due date to your tasks. To do this, simply click the calendar icon that appears next to your to-do item. You'll then be able to choose the desired date. Having a due date helps set clear expectations for when the task should be completed, adding an extra layer of organization. As a result of these actions, your collaborators will automatically receive a notification. This notification will let them know that they've been assigned a new task in the document, prompting them to take a look and follow up as needed. In addition to assigning tasks, Dropbox Paper also offers the ability to simply @mention someone without assigning a specific task. This feature is useful for various reasons, such as drawing someone's attention to a particular section of the document or seeking input. Whether you're in the middle of the document's text or leaving a comment, just type the symbol followed by their name. They'll receive a notification, allowing them to quickly navigate to the document. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to manage tasks and communication within Dropbox Paper. By using these features, you can streamline your team's workflow, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and knows exactly what's expected of them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps improve your collaborative projects.